Hey, I'm going to do a tutorial on the super flip. You can do this on 3x3 and up, but I'm getting a 5x5 and a 4x4 for Christmas, and it looks really good on 5x5. So when I get it, I'm going to post a video on that. So I'm going to do a Christmas video. So this is how to do it on 3x3. So you're going to pick a side. It's going to end up the same way either way. You're going to do middle, up. You're going to do that 4 times. Middle, up, middle, up. And then you should get this. This is what you'll be seeing. Then you're going to rotate it. We're going to rotate that way. This is what you would be seeing. This is... Okay, so this is what you would be seeing. Then you would see that. So once you do that, you're going to rotate it that way. You would be seeing this, but I would be seeing this. Then you're going to do it again. Middle, up, middle, up, middle, up, middle, up. Then you have something that looks like this. Then you're going to do it again, rotate it. This is the last time you have to do it. Middle, up, middle, up. Oh, mine's locked up. Middle, up, middle, up. And that is what the super flip looks like. It rotates every single edge. It's really cool. And if you've seen Me, Myself, and Pi, his logo is him having this on 4x4, I think. No, it was 5x5. It looks best on odd numbers, like 3x3 and 5x5. So, I guess that's it.